Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj. I'm sure you would have seen the thumbnail of this video. Yes guys, our CA Final A from regular batch, which was scheduled to start on the 27th of Jan, stands temporarily cancelled. So what happened, sir? Just 2 weeks back, you came up with the full details of the batch, the start date, the end date, the duration, the coverage, and all of this. And now we were suddenly saying that the batch is getting cancelled temporarily. Yes guys, in this video I will tell you the honest reason why I had to come up with this decision and the dilemma that I had to face before I had to come up with this particular decision. But before I enter into the details, first of all, I want to sincerely apologize to all those students who were waiting for my lectures for the May 25 attempt and the November 25 attempt, because this has never happened before. In my entire teaching career, there has never been a single instance where I announced a batch and I had to cancel it. But this time, certain things were brought to my notice in the last couple of weeks, and I had to take a decision accordingly, which I will be sharing with you in a few minutes from now. And I once again apologize for that. And if you are a student who is planning to write your CA final exams in May 25 or in November 25 attempt, I request you to start with your AFM preparations immediately without waiting for my lectures, because I think it will take some time right now. And if there is any guidance or support that you need from my side, you can feel free to reach out to me on my Telegram ID, which I am sharing it on the description box below. So you can just reach me out on Telegram if you need any guidance. Right. So now, sir, what happens, sir? Now, we all know that at the foundation and at the intermediate level, so now institute is conducting exams 3 times a year, right? And right now, generally, the time gap between the day of result and the next attempt is now reduced to 2 months. And many students were reaching out to me saying, sir, your regular lectures are excellent. It is super comprehensive and it's absolutely sufficient from an examination perspective. But that is the only product that you have. So you only have regular lectures, but we are not able to complete that in a span of 2 months. So sir, can you come up with something called like a crash course or like a fast track? Now, the reason why I didn't do it till now was because I said the syllabus has just come. Let me at least wait for 2-3 attempts so that we can at least see the manner of testing and then come up with a crash course. I wouldn't call it a crash course because whatever I am planning for is slightly greater than a crash course. It's more than a crash course. So now I feel now that more and many students pouring in numbers, they are just asking me for this. I had a discussion with a couple of other faculties and I felt that at this point of time, they really need my help with respect to coming up with a course which is not, the duration of which is not as high as the main regular course, but it is slightly lesser than that. So I'm planning for something that is more than a crash course, but less than a regular batch, somewhere in between, with about 80 or more percentage of coverage as compared to our regular batch. So this is something that I'm planning for at the intermediate level. Now, for me to come up with this particular batch for both costing and FM at the intermediate level, I need to first come up with a right resource, that is basically the books that need to be prepared. Once again, we're revamping the entire material, and I'm planning to come up with a particular course, which I don't want to call it as crash. I'll just try to name it as something different because it's definitely not a shortcut approach. I don't believe in shortcuts. Now, for this, it requires a lot of time and commitment. Now, on one hand, I have this commitment because currently I teach about 3,000 to 4,000 students every year at the intermediate level, and these students are in dire need of my help with respect to clearing their exams in the time gap of between their result date and the next attempt. So I felt that this is something that I need to definitely address. However, I had announced the final AFM batch as well, but in this particular situation, I had to take this tough call of having to push or postpone my final batch and first finish this particular crash course, or maybe I will give it a different name later on, but this is what I'm planning for right now. So I wanted to come up with this, but now that this requires a lot of time and dedication, I don't want to compromise on the quality of my final lectures. So honestly and openly, this is the reason why I felt it will take some time for me to start with my CA final AFM regular batch. Before that, I wanted to finish off the recordings of my CA intermediate crash course for the costing and FM papers. And for this, since it requires some existing time and commitment, I didn't want to compromise on the quality of my final lectures, because with respect to final, the last few months I've been completely dedicating my time only for preparing the content and resources for my finals. But right now that's taking a halt and I had to focus back on this. Openly, guys, this is the reason. So once I finish this, and once the other work also with respect to the intermediate level is settled down, we will start our final batch. But how long will it take? I'm not able to give you guys an exact time frame. It will take about 5 to 6 months for sure for me to completely cover all the pending work at the intermediate level. So that is the reason why I said, if you are planning to write your exams in May or November 25 attempts, I request you to not wait for my lectures, but do not worry. Meanwhile, I will give you guys the right guidance for the final level, also for your AFM paper at the final level. If you have any concerns or any queries, you can please ping me on my Telegram ID. So I will share the Telegram ID in the description. You can just reach out to me for any help. And this is unprecedented. This is not a very easy video for me to make, because there has never been a single case where I had to announce a particular batch and cancel it. At the intermediate level, till now I've not done. This is the first time it's happening, but I hope that you guys will understand and support me with this particular decision, because this is again for the students community. They are in real need of help, and I feel that if I don't if I don't come down and help them at this moment, then it wouldn't be fair on my part. So I'm not saying no to finals. It's just getting pushed by maybe a few more months than expected, right? So I hope you guys will understand and support me with this decision. But nevertheless, any guidance, anytime, you final students can definitely come and reach out to me on Telegram, right? So on that note, I'm signing off in this video. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much. Bye bye.